Now, when you do inspections and you have clients, get them to do reviews about your business, about their experience with you during their inspection on Google. So how do you get Google reviews and how much does it cost? Well, it doesn't cost anything. So to get Google reviews, encourage your customers, your clients, to spread the word about your business following these best practices. And we have a link in order to get reviews on Google. So Google provides valuable information about your business to both you and your clients. Business reviews appear next to your listings in maps and search and can help your business stand out on Google. You have to remind your customers to leave reviews, and there's a little link there on learning how to leave Google, learning how your customers can leave Google reviews. Reply to reviews. Don't just let people talk without you replying and engaging. And then verify your business so that your information is eligible to appear on maps, searches, and other Google services. So Google has everything you need to get reviews on Google for free. Click the link.